Are you searching for the best rechargeable juicer? In this video, we will look at the 5 best rechargeable juicer, which save you time and money. Number 1. Mini Electric Juicer Fruit Mixers. Smoothie Blender adopts 240 watts powerful copper casting motor, rotating speed to 18,000 RPM, with 6-leaf stainless steel blades, easily crushing ice cubes, fruits and vegetables, perfect for making nutritious, healthy shakes and smoothies only 30 seconds.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Rechargeable Portable Juicer, Mini Wireless Blender Rechargeable Juicer Fresh Juice Mixer Orange Juice Extractor. Portable Electric Juice Blender USB Mini Fruit Blender Juice Extractor Food Milkshake Multifunctional Juice Machine.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. Electric Juicer 1500 mAh rechargeable. The electric lemon squeezing machine is equipped with a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, 45W power, 18,000 RPM, and a product size of 140 x 110 x 280 mm, charge 2 to 3 hours and run 25 to 30 times. It is most suitable for camping, hiking or traveling, and can also be conveniently carried in offices, outdoor picnics, and on the beach.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. New Fresh Juice Bottle Blender. Main features: easy carrying, do not take up space, squeeze now, quick and fresh, save your time, crush the ice cube, strong power, 500 milliliters large capacity, meet your whole day needs, 2400 mAh battery, durable, can make 15 cups of juice.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Best USB Mini Fruit Mixers. Portable Electric Juicer Blender USB Mini Fruit Mixers Juicers Fruit Extractors Food Milkshake Multifunction Juice Maker Machine.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.